Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. At first, enroll list of all apps, go to the settings, now find and select Accounts and Backup and click on Backup My Data under Google Drive. Here, just mark data that you want to backup, so I marked photos and videos along with other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, app setup data, and messages. Then click on Confirm. And that's it. As you can see, backup status is active. If you'll tap on Manage Backup, you can backup your data right now. But if you'll not do it right now, your device backs up automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.